When your garage door stops responding to the remote or keypad, battery issues are the culprit in 60% of cases. We'll walk through systematic troubleshooting to get your door working again. Start with the remote control. Most modern remotes use small lithium coin cell batteries like CR2032 or CR2025. These typically last 2 to 3 years with normal use. Keypads typically use 9-volt or AA batteries. These need replacement every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage frequency. Check for dim displays or delayed responses as signs of low battery. Test battery strength by checking the LED indicator brightness and testing range from various distances. Weak batteries show dimmer lights and reduced operating range. Clean battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to ensure good electrical connection. Corrosion and dirt on contacts can prevent proper power transfer even with new batteries. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, signal interference is likely the cause. LED lighting, Wi-Fi routers operating on 2.4 GHz, and neighboring garage door systems can all interfere with your opener's signal. These interference sources can overwhelm your garage door's receiver, causing intermittent operation or complete signal loss. Replace standard LED bulbs with garage door opener compatible LEDs. These special bulbs are designed to minimize radio frequency interference that can disrupt your opener's signal. Ensure your opener's antenna is fully extended and positioned away from metal objects. Proper antenna positioning can significantly improve signal reception and range. For smart openers, network congestion can cause connectivity issues. Multiple devices competing for bandwidth on the same 2.4 GHz network can interfere with garage door communication. Consider isolating your garage door system on its own dedicated 2.4 GHz network. This reduces interference from other smart devices and improves response time and reliability. Follow this systematic checklist to resolve most garage door remote and keypad issues. Start with batteries, then move to signal problems. This approach solves over 80% of common garage door communication problems. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of garage door remote and keypad problems. If issues persist after completing this checklist, the problem likely involves motor or mechanical components that require professional attention. When battery and signal fixes don't resolve your garage door problems, the issue likely involves motor or mechanical components. These problems require a systematic approach to identify and address safely. Track misalignment is a common mechanical issue that causes the door to bind and puts excessive strain on the motor. Look for gaps between the door and track or visible bending in the track rails. Garage door springs provide counterbalance to help the motor lift the heavy door. Improper spring tension forces the motor to work harder and can cause premature failure. Springs should be adjusted only by professionals due to high tension and safety risks. Grinding or unusual noises often indicate gear wear in the opener mechanism. Over time, plastic gears can strip or wear down, causing erratic movement and eventual failure. This comparison shows a worn gear versus a new replacement. A failing capacitor is often the culprit when a motor won't start or runs weakly. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the motor. A damaged or bulging capacitor should be replaced immediately by a qualified technician. Limit switches tell the motor when to stop opening or closing the door. Misaligned limit switches can cause the door to not open fully, close too far, or reverse unexpectedly. These switches require precise adjustment for proper operation. Motor and mechanical repairs can be complex and potentially dangerous due to high-tension springs and electrical components. Professional technicians have the proper tools and training to safely diagnose and repair these issues. Regular preventive maintenance significantly reduces motor and mechanical failures. A simple maintenance routine can extend your garage door system's life and prevent costly repairs. Statistics show that regular maintenance reduces garage door failures by 67% and extends component life by 40%. This preventive approach saves money and ensures reliable operation for years to come.